Hello and welcome back to a brand new Lotus review video. Today we have the Max T charging cable, another one. It's in white this time. We've also got this nice little backdrop which we can use. It's just kind of my desktop background at the moment for my monitor. Because of the lighting, it looks quite nice. So the cable itself, pretty standard. We got these ties, which is just to make it all fit. That's no shipping. I'm just gonna undo these. Okay, we've undone them, and we have this cable. It's another 1 meter one. It's pretty nice, as you can tell. It's clean side, well made. Nylon, just like again. It's not braided. I don't think this time. I don't know what braided means. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Overall, I recommend this. It's really good. It works. Of course, I have actually tried it to see if it worked, and it did, which is always good because you don't want a non-working cable. And link will be in the description. It's pretty cheap. I don't know how much it costs. I can't really remember at the moment. But I hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye.